when I try to start it, she would just blink like it was gonna start, and she stops. And that's what happens. Not even trying to get it into ignition position on. Same thing. And you lock it. Wait a few seconds. These brake lights would come on and stay there for a while, turn off. See? Fronts, nope.